Hello everyone, this is John again. Welcome to my channel Money Steps. So today I'm going to show you how to placing global trading orders, which you can place order for the US, Hong Kong and Singapore's markets using the Maybank platform. So I'm going to show you a couple of agenda, which is firstly how to adding the stock into the watch list, how to purchase stocks, how to selection for the settlement currency, how to sell stocks. Okay. So firstly, we need to go to the Maybank to You website, which is maybanktoyou.com.my. So in order for us to access the online stock platform, we need to select for the trade online at the bottom right icon. Trade online at the bottom right icon. So we select it. It will come to the online stock platform, which we need to key in the username and password right over here. So once we accessing into online stock platform, it will show you the KLCI index or those infos for the local market. This platform is for the trading for the local market, which is Malaysia markets only. So in order for us to accessing for the global trading platform, we need to go to the top right side. Look at the Explore Global Tradings icon. Explore Global Trading icon on the top right side. We need to select the icon. It will prompt a message for us. We are granted access for the Maybank investment banking trading portals. You will need to select for the OK. So we already access into the global trading platform, Maybank global trading platform. So firstly, I'm going to guide you how to adding the stock into the watch list. So selecting some stocks for the examples. So in this case, I'm going to adding to a stock into currencies into a board of Hong Kong. So we can see that we can placing order for Singapore, Hong Kong, and the US markets. So in this case, I'm selecting for the PetroChina, which is listed in the Hong Kongs. We are going to adding the stock into the watch list. What we need to do is selecting the Hong Kong bot, and we need to key in the PetroChina symbol numbers, which is 0857, which is a PetroChina symbols. So I need to click enter, or I may need to select the add button. So it will search for us the PetroChina stocks. So immediately it already adding in the PetroChina stocks for us. So you can see that PetroChina has been added into the watch list. So next, how are we going to placing order? We may need to select the stocks, right click it using the mouse, right click, and we select for the buy button. Okay, it will come up a box first for keying in the orders. So in this case, because Hong Kong stocks, if you want to placing orders, this one is already mentioned the lot size right over here. The minimum lot size is 2,000 units. 2,000 units. So which means that every time you want to buy, you have to minimum quantity of 2,000, 4,000, 8,000 multiplied by 2,000. So in this case, let's put in an example. So let's say I want to buy a 2,000 unit at $3.3 Hong Kong dollar. Okay, in this case, we need to be aware of the currency. So settlement is the currency you want to pay for it. So in this case, let's say you are aware that you don't have Hong Kong dollar to pay for the contracts that you purchase. So you may select for the Ringgit Malaysia. It's a very important step. So if you don't have Hong Kong dollar, foreign currency, you may select for the Ringgit Malaysia for the options. Okay. And then in this case, you may select for the submit. You'll come up a box for us for the cross-checkings. So you can see that we are buying stocks, PetroChina's $3.3, 2,000 unit, which is contract value 6,600, and the settlement is Ringgit Malaysia. Okay, understand, right? So we may click for the OK. So it's already said that it's already accepted by the system. You'll put in the orders next trading days. Okay, because currently I'm recording these videos during weekends, it will not direct go into the system right now. So I click OK. So you can see that at the bottom order sections, you can see that PetroChina's $3.3, 2,000 unit has been placed into the system. And you can see the status right over here. PO. What the meanings of the PO? You may need to click the abbreviations right at the bottom to check the PO. What the meanings by the PO? PO means pending to enter the queue. So it will go into the system on the next trading days. Understand? So okay, how do we cancel the order? Okay, it's very easy. So since we already placed the order, so we may need to, what we need to do is we select the order that we want to cancel. On the left side, there's one box right over there, and then we need to click the quick withdrawal at the bottom. It'll come up a box for us to confirm we want to cancel this order. We may select OK, confirmation one more time, OK, and it will tell us our order has been successfully withdrawn, and OK. So we can see that the status has been changed to the C. What the meanings by C? We go back to abbreviations. C means cancel order accepted in queue. Okay, so okay, it's very easy, right? How to placing order, how to cancel orders, how to adding stock into watch list, how to select the settlement currency when you are purchasing. So how do we selling the shares right now? How do we selling the shares? So we are going for the placing sell order for PetroChina. So we may select PetroChina, right click, and selecting for the shell. And quantity, we need to key in the multiple quantity you want to sell is let's say example 2000 unit. Let's say I'm going to place order for 5 Hong Kong dollar. Okay, 2000 unit and Hong Kong dollar 5. So in this case, when you are selling, you need to be aware what the settlement you want to go for. Okay, let's say it's default in the foreign currency. This step is very important, that if we are selecting for the foreign currency, let's say we are selecting for the Hong Kong dollar, means after we are selling, the currency will be maintained in the Hong Kong dollar, so we can utilize the Hong Kong dollar to place another buy order in the future. Okay, let's say you are selecting for the Ringgit Malaysia, so which means after you selling, this order has been matched, the sell contract will be direct converted back into Ringgit Malaysia, which means in the future, let's say you want to buy another Hong Kong stock, you will need to convert the Ringgit Malaysia to Hong Kong dollar one more time. So you spending some exchange right over there. Okay, so normally we are selecting for the foreign currency unless you don't want to trade the foreign markets anymore. So we may need to submit the order, and we cross check the order. So one more time is an important step to cross check in confirmation order. Selling PetroChina $5, 2000 unit, and share value is 10,000 Hong Kong dollar settlement. Okay, so we need select OK, and it will show that it already accept in the system. Next working day will be submitted, and OK. So we can see that the order has been placing, so PO, so pending order lah. So which means that the order will be going to the system next trading days. It's very easy, right? So in this video, we already learned how to adding stock into watch list, how to purchasing stocks, how to cancel the order, and how do we placing sell order, and how do we select the settlement currency when we are buying or selling the stocks. I hope you know how to placing order in the future using the Maybank global trading platform. That's all for today. Thank you very much, and goodbye.